How to reset Instagram algorithm. I'm going to tell you how to reset the Instagram algorithm. If you're seeing content you don't like, you can reset your suggested content in a few steps. First, go to your profile, tap the three-bar menu in the top right, and then select Content Preferences. Scroll down and tap Reset Suggested Content and then confirm. This will clear Instagram's recommendations and your feed will start fresh based on what you interact with moving forward. You can also fine tune your feed by using the Not Interested option. Tap the three dots on any post and select it to remove similar content from your recommendations. Additionally, unfollow or mute accounts that don't align with your interest and engage more with the content you actually want.